Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe as always. So I want to bring something to your attention, and it's one of the best purchases I think you can make in your vehicle, no matter what you drive. And this is just proof right here. Should be the first thing you're buying for your vehicle. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So here's a prime example of why buying a dash cam for your vehicle is probably the most important thing you can get for your vehicle. Now this happened to me just the other day, and I wanted to show you this is kind of the stuff that having a dash cam can really pay off as far as having an accident and having to prove who did it and all that kind of stuff. Because you know, when you have an accident, unless it's clear, most people are going to say you're at fault. So I recommend the Fitcamx. What I like about them is they look OEM when you install them. There's no wires hanging down. It replaces the factory panels, so it looks like it's made in the car. So you don't have to worry about it falling down, nothing like that. So I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase it. And they have it for many makes and models. But this happened to me the other day. So I'm behind this truck pulling this trailer with a ton of bulk metal scraps on it. And it never looked secure from the start. And I had to follow them on this one-lane road until I got on the freeway here. But this is, like I said, where a dash cam can really help you. So as soon as this RV passes, I get over, because I'm just not feeling safe about it. Just sitting behind this guy. And look, as soon as I do, look right there, a big chunk of metal falls out. Right in the path. If I was riding any closer to him, I would have ran right up on top of that, and it would damage so much of the undercarriage of this car. And then on top of that, the driver was about to pull over and just hopped right back on right there and just kept driving. So again, things like that happens a lot. And if you're unfortunate and you hit something like that and you have evidence of who did it, it will really help you getting your car fixed, and so they can go after the other person's insurance. Now, like I said, the Fitcamx, I've had it for a month or so now. I love it. It's a crystal clear picture. You can see if you zoom in, once you take the video, you can download it. You can zoom in on the license plates. You can save the photos, save the videos, and it just saves to your camera roll on your phone. It's pretty intuitive. I like it better than the other one I had, because this seems a lot easier to download. Once it's connected, it'll save the clips, and you just select the one you want to download and just download it and save it to your phone. Then you have it. And then it comes with a memory card, and you can put a bigger memory card if you want. And if you don't, all it does is it'll rewrite the oldest stuff. So you'll never have to worry about it filling up. As soon as the card fills up, it'll just keep rewriting it. So as long as you don't download it and need it, you know, it'll just rewrite it, so it'll never fill up. So like I said, I'm a advocate of these things. I just like overall the camera quality, how easy it is to download the footage, and then the most important thing is it looks clean in the car as well. So if you haven't heard of them, definitely check the link in the description. They have them for a ton of different vehicles, Hondas, Acuras, you know, all kind of vehicles, GMs. So definitely check them out. And I have a promo code. It'll save you some money as well if you use that. Like I said, it's a great OEM look. So nothing like hanging from your windshield, nothing like that to come loose. So again, hopefully you found this useful to help you guys out down the road. If you're planning on making a dash cam purchase, like I said, I highly recommend it. Help keep you guys safe. And until next time, guys, take care.